So, what materials do you get in the master course? Here is a sneak preview of the 2,000 pages included. Is this you? You want to build a range of resources for any grade, any school and for any time of year but feel overwhelmed by the whole thing? Do any of these sound familiar? You can't find the time to work on your resume or creating your resource kit. Perhaps you don't know how or where to start. Do you feel stressed, overwhelmed and frustrated? Wouldn't it be great if there was a simple, easy, surefire way to structure and build your resource kit while enjoying the process at the same time? Enjoy the liberating feeling of marking off your to-do list, achieving your goals and work targets and being able to have resources and websites at your fingertips when it counts. In the classroom, my simple, streamlined work process can help to take the stress out of completing all of your professional teaching requirements, from resume building to having a relief kit that will be the foundation stone of your resource creation in the future. Transformation starts here. Simple tips and strategies to achieve these goals. Be productive and stop agonizing about what you are going to include in your relief teaching kit. My tips and strategies will help you to structure your lessons and activities so that your students will be engaged in meaningful and relevant lessons. Shine. Make your lessons shine so that executive staff members will be impressed and want to add you to their preferred list of relief teachers. Eliminate the overwhelming feeling of not being organized when you are invited to teach in a school. Impress. Create a lasting impression with your students and build relationships with them so that you can be the teacher that you have always wanted to be. Make a difference to the lives of the students that you will be working with. What will be covered in these courses? The master course is the basis of all the other courses, tailored to meet your financial needs. I understand how hard it can be to find the funds when you are starting out as a relief teacher. To make these courses more accessible for you, I am offering a discount on the master course and the additional course bundle if you decide to take any of the paid courses on offer. The additional bundle is essentially not a course, but a way of building your resource kit on a budget. For a small investment of only $100, you will get in excess of $400 worth of resources. I have included plenty of bonus resources in all components of each course, even the free one. You will get clear information in every module of each chapter. You will plan effective and engaging materials for your students in your relief teaching kit. Ideal for any teacher undertaking relief teaching for the first time. It may be you are moving from permanent to relief, or that you are a new graduate. Be the relaxed relief teacher that you want to be. Enjoy your free time with your family, knowing that you have your bases covered, and are ready to take on any teaching role. My name is Nikki Tester, and after 40 years of teaching, I thought it was well overdue to start sharing my experiences, mentorship and strategies for creating meaningful and engaging material for you to use in your daily teaching. About 20 years ago, I began to build a resource kit for myself when I began casual teaching. And then I realized just how many ideas and activities I had been using over the years. I have spent many hours searching through websites, searching books for great ideas and activities. Since then I have created over hundreds of resources that are perfect for helping you to build up your resource teaching kit, whether you are casual, temporary, or full-time in primary school education. I embrace and thrive on integrating technology in education, and my resources address the changing nature of the 21st century classroom. Facebook, Pinterest, resources and blogs. Once a teacher, you are a learner for life. I hope that I can continue to inspire and support.